Today's vlog is going to be another Plato's Closet vlog, but it's going to be a selling sessions. I am going to be shopping, seeing if they have anything new. We were there about a few days ago and you guys saw we struck gold. We got the Guess jeans, which actually that's sold already. We got a ton of Jordans. We got those 2 Burberry pants. We just got amazing things. But I figured, you know what, since I'm going to the flea market and trying to sell t-shirts, like basic t-shirts that I either paid 50 cents to $1, trying to sell it for $2 to $3, it might as well just go to Plato's Closet because they do the same thing. If they price a t-shirt at $10, they give you 25%, so it's $2.50. So it's basically what I want. So I have a stack of t-shirts right here and a stack of shorts. These I'm actually putting in the personal collection. I'm keeping those. But we have like a Pokemon bathing suit, all reprint, like new age stuff, Wu-Tang shirt. We have a Yankees, Lacoste, a couple sports t-shirts. Nothing too crazy though. Like I said, stuff I paid 50 cents to $1, and just like a couple of the mountain shirts, a tie-dye shirt. Just basic stuff that I figured, you know what, let's try to flip to them. And yeah, I'm gonna see how it is. I might bring a couple sneakers, but probably not. I'll probably just save those for the flea market. And yeah, let's go to Plato's Closet, try to sell them, see if we find anything good. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's get it, guys. I just made it to the Plato's Closet. I have to go in and get a clear bin because now with like all the COVID, there's restrictions. They only let you do 1 bin and it has to be a clear bin so they can see through it, which doesn't really make sense. Like, why does it matter if you can see through it if you can't? But let's go inside and get a clear bin and then let's see if they buy anything. Well, it seems like there's a line, so I guess while we're waiting, we'll just shop around and see if there's anything good. Like I said, we were here a few days, but damn, there's like 5 or 6 people, and then I see someone right here trying to get it, so let's hope it doesn't take too long. So this is the first item that I've never seen before. So it has peacock on the back, but then on the front it has Saved by the Bell embroidered. It has the B, but it doesn't have any branding. It has a size L tag on the inside. No brand or anything. They want $25 for it, and I tried looking it up and I can't find anything on it. Made in India. Very interesting. But I've been looking through the racks and mainly everything is the same stuff, because like I said, I was here maybe, I don't know, 4 days ago, 5 days ago, so I feel like they're not going to get crazy amount of new stuff. Forever 21, Smile More, Bomber. Pretty cool. Sean John. Let's check the t-shirts, see if there's anything good. I did see a Huff shirt up there, so maybe some people brought in like some skate brand stuff. They have this Huff embroidered long sleeve. These crazy New Balances, like rose gold, the iridescent, 30 bucks. Yeah, just because I want to make sure what you guys are taking for each one.
Okay, well,
all right.
Show you. Yeah.
Thank you. So I'm not going to stand there while they do the pricing, just because I don't want to do individual. The reason why I don't want to do individual pricing is because some shirts, or like maybe a shirt they offer $4 and then the other one they offer $2, but $6 cancels out. So I just want to do the total price for the total number of pieces, and then I can divide it and figure out how much I'm getting per shirt. Because like I said, one shirt they might give me more than I want, some shirt they might give me less than I want. It kind of cancels out. So while they're doing that, I'm going to quickly run through these t-shirts. Like I said, we were here the other day, but let's run through these shirts, see if we find anything good, and I'll show you guys if I find anything nice. Just came across this H&M XO crew neck. I don't know if it's men's or large. It looks like it's a size large men's. They want $12. I might pick this up. I saw comps are about 40 or so, some even 60. Seems like the bigger sizes are hard to get. As I was waiting, found these Silver Bullet 97s, 5.5. Jägermeister, Fila, Star Wars, Marvel, Striped, All Saints, Bear Shirt, Grateful Dead, Walt Disney, Champion, Fairy, Yellow All Over, Nautica Competition, Wolf, The Mountain, Green, Champion Gray, Naruto, denim jacket, Columbia shorts, Yankee shirt. That wasn't bad at all. They ended up taking 20 items for $75. I showed you guys the 20 items, all that right there. I ended up buying the EXO crew neck, and I ended up buying the Air Max 97s, or Vapor Max 97s, whatever you want to call it. Just because I feel like either way I can double my money with those. So I ended up getting, what is it? $3.75 per item, which again, that's basically like me selling at the swap shop. Everything that I brought here was stuff I was selling at flea market for $2, $3 just because I paid 50 cents to $1 for it. So it's not bad at all. What I think I'm gonna do is I might go to another Plato's Closet, just bring in that bin and say, hey, do you guys want to buy this? Maybe they buy some things, maybe they don't. So let's go ahead to the next Plato's Closet. Maybe we find something else good there. Remember last time I was there, they were buying Jordans and Nikes while I was leaving. So maybe they did buy, maybe they're sitting. Probably not though, but let's go see if we can sell some more of this stuff. So I just got to the other Plato's and I'm filling out the information. They're like, yeah, it's gonna be a 2.5 hour wait, by the way. I'm like, what? 2.5 hours? They're like, yeah, you can drop it off and come back if you want. But yeah, it's gonna be 2.5 hours. I'm like, no, I'm not gonna even sell. But I'm gonna look around and see what they found. I just found these. I thought they were Dunks at first, but I don't know what they are. I've never seen this before. Size 12 from 2000, wow, 2005, 2006. $35. I should look these up and see what they are. I've never seen this kind of model before. Well, after doing some more research, they're called the Nike Court Force High, and there's a pair size 11, a little bit similar condition for $33, so to pay $35 it's not worth it. But I guess, oh my gosh, this is another Guess. Guess J Balvin. If you guys saw in the last video, I found the Guess stripe shirt. Alright, I guess let's quickly run through the t-shirts because it seems like they might have got, I really like that Cotton Citizen. I love that tie-dye. Let's run through these t-shirts and see if we find any. Oh, here we go. If we find anything else. Well, look at all these shirts, and if I had to guess, someone definitely dropped it off, like the same person. So I already showed you the Guess J Balvin. I showed you guys this Cotton Citizen. I showed you guys this Guess Black and White. I'm not getting everything, I just want to show you guys. I saw this was kind of cool, but I'm probably going to end up leaving this post game. Nothing really too special. Another Cotton Citizen. I'm going to look up the brand. I don't know Cotton Citizen. It sounds familiar, but I don't know if they're expensive. I don't know if they're cheap. But they're $12, and like the cotton or the tie-dye is super sick on it. I saw this crazy SpongeBob shirt, H&M SpongeBob basically, but just like the crazy colors. I'm gonna have to look up this stuff too, you know. I don't, like I said, I don't know what I'm getting, but I did find this 1991 Warner's Bro little Daffy Duck. Nothing too crazy, but this was super sick. We have the Uniqlo Murakami, the all over. And then last but not least, we did find this Kith shirt. So this is just the Kith plain white tee, but hey, Kith is Kith. Damn, I think I'm gonna keep these Cotton Citizen shirts for myself. Like I said, these tie-dyes are sick. The fit on it is so nice. It fits me perfectly. I'm gonna try on this one too. We're definitely gonna buy everything that I showed you, or mostly everything I showed you, but so fire. Well, I definitely like the other one better, but yo, these shirts are fire. I've never heard of the brand Cotton Citizen, and maybe it's like this crazy brand. I have no idea, but I like it. I like it a lot. So I showed you guys this last time, the vintage Periel, this like flannel jacket. I wanted to try it on, but to be honest, it doesn't really look too flattering on me. So obviously I went into Plato's Closet to get rid of stuff, and I ended up leaving with stuff. And I was so happy. I was like, oh man, I got rid of 20 items at the first store. Like, this is awesome if they get rid of another 20 items. But then I go in and I buy like 10 t-shirts. But hey, that was a nice find, you know. The Guess J Balvin, the Murakami Uniqlo probably isn't worth too much. It's probably just more for the hype satisfaction. That Cotton Citizen, those shirts fit so nice. I'll probably end up keeping the one with the blue, but then the other one I didn't really care for too much. I'll probably end up selling that one. What else did I get? I got the Guess the black and white shirt, and yeah, you know, that was that, you know. Oh, we also found the Kith shirt, which I wish it was like a Kith box logo. I have thrifted Kith box logos before. I thrifted a Kith box logo long sleeve. I think I paid $3, ended up selling for $50. But this one, it's just like a basic white shirt. And I looked it up and they sell for about $30, $40, even just being basic. I guess Kith has that much. It's basically like Supreme. If you buy like a Supreme blank, it's still worth some money. But I think I'm gonna head back home. Let's go check on the little man, see how Captain's doing. I'm really trying to eat healthy, but I came to eat at McDonald's. Guys, there's a guy sleeping in it. Like, I pulled up behind him and honked and he's not going, and I went around him and he's probably like high or something, but he's literally sleeping in the drive-thru. I'm gonna tell the lady that there's someone sleeping, but there's the cars behind and no one's honking or anything. It's like, dude, this guy's literally sleeping, but it's like, how do you sleep with your foot on the brake? Like, I feel like when you sleep, your foot would take off the brake and you just keep rolling unless he's in park. I have no idea, but it's like, yo, that's kind of funny. There's a car in the drive-thru and the person's sleeping. What? Yeah, he's like knocked out or something. It's in the second lane. I had to drive, like I had to go up around him. It's the white car. I honked, he's not moving. He's like sleeping or dead or something. So one of the workers just went and woke him up because now I see his car driving, like pulling up forward. I wonder how long he's been sitting there. Like, he probably ordered a meal like 20 minutes ago. And he pulled up, he's like, yeah, I ordered the Big Mac like 20 minutes ago. My bad, I fell asleep in the drive-thru. It's like, that's crazy. And it's like, that's dangerous. Cause I was thinking when I pulled up in front, I was like, knowing my luck, his ass will wake up or like his foot will slip off the brake, like if he wasn't in park, and then he's gonna end up hitting me. And I'm like, fuck. So I got really nervous. I kept like looking back and forth. But yeah, I got a Big Mac. McDonald's is doing a 2 for $5 deal, which is amazing. You get either 2 Big Macs or you get like a 10-piece with the Big Mac for $5. So I just paid $5.34 for a 10-piece and a Big Mac. So I know it's not the best food, and don't worry, when I move to the new apartment, I'm gonna be cooking amazing food. I'm gonna be making food videos, food vlogs. It's just gonna be extra content, don't worry guys. And I'll still do the daily vlogs, but then I'll come home and make like a meal of the day video or something like that. I wanna try different stuff for 2021, especially with me living in Miami. Just different stuff, you know, maybe showing you guys around Miami, just, you know, just out of the blue. But like I said, let's go see how little man's doing. Let's go see how Captain's doing. Captain. Are you frozen? Who's gonna move first? Ah, little guy. I got some McDonald's. I got some McDonald's for lunch. I know it's not good, but it was $5. Oy. The life of moving. Boxes everywhere. Boxes everywhere, clothes everywhere. I'll say moving is probably one of the worst things to do. Like, I hate moving. It sucks. Just picking up everything. It's just like going on vacation. You love to pack, but you hate to unpack. It's the same thing. Packing will be easy, but once I get into the new place, I'm gonna be stuck and I'm just like, oh, I don't wanna unload all these boxes.